Have you ever heard of a creature that can survive boiling water, freezing cold, radiation, and even the vacuum of space? Meet the tardigrade, also known as the water bear. This microscopic marvel is smaller than the tip of a needle, yet it's one of the toughest animals on Earth. Some even live in the ocean, floating through salt water like tiny aliens built for survival. Tardigrades can live without food or water for up to 30 years. When conditions get harsh, they shrivel into a crystal-like state and simply wait until life returns. Scientists have boiled them, frozen them, blasted them with radiation, even launched them into space, and they still survived. This isn't science fiction. This is a water bear, possibly crawling right now on the moss in your backyard. Almost invisible to the naked eye and nearly impossible to kill.